Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lily and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my seafood rice. So for this recipe you're going to need your scallops, your blue crabs, your shrimps, mussels, some snow crabs, some fish, any type. I got tilapia, the imitation Alaskan snow crabs. You're going to need your onion powder, your garlic powder, your red pepper, your adobo or whoever he is, your seasoned salt, your accent, chives, Italian seasoning. Did I say black pepper? And some cooking grease. So let's get started. I am going to turn on my stove. Yep. I bet y'all ain't never seen nothing like this before. I'm gonna fry my fish. Oh shit. Y'all bear with me. Gotta fry up those. Okay, y'all, I forgot my number one ingredient, my yellow rice. So, I washed my blue crabs off and I'm going to drop them in this water that I have boiling over here. I got all my pots on and my water boiling. Whoops. I'm going to go ahead and season that. Yep, that's gonna be spicy. Okay, I got my scallops. I'm gonna take and drop back here. And I just got the big ones, but I cut them up into little chunks. My shrimp. So in this bag I got my fish that I've already seasoned in flour. Oh man, doesn't that look good? Yes. Yes. You guys, I'm gonna have to show you how I season my fish and my chicken. Everybody loves it. But that'll be a whole nother video. I'll try to fit all those in there. I have my shrimp that I'm going to drop up in this grease back here that I had preheating and cooking. Woo! Step back, Jack. Step back. I'm going to put them all around in there. Just like that. That's how we're going to do it. Whoop, I gotta take my fish and I'm gonna flip this fish. Don't want the last of the Mohican to burn, man. And I like my fish and chicken light-skinned. And we're just gonna let that cook through a little bit. Let those shrimp cook a little bit. Now I'm gonna take out my crabs. They're done and ready. Legs and everything on up out of there. I'll take my rice and add it. And what y'all want to do, you want to make sure your crabs are washed really good and cleaned. Now I'm going to take my shrimp out. Ow! That's not supposed to be hot, but hey. Hang on down a little bit. I'm going to take my imitation crab meat and add in there. Uh-oh. I'm going a little too fast. Ow! You left it almost fell. Yeah. Now I'm going to take out my fish before it burns, baby. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. I keep trying to stick. Over here, my meat and crabs and stuff I've already prepared. I'm just going to place them over here in the pan.
Hello, baby. I was gonna get that baby.
That's my brother. He just walked in. What up, Lionel? I'm doing a video.
Yep. Let me show you how to eat on that. No hands, no doubt. Hey, baby. That's baby.
Ouch! 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 That was hot. Oh, I don't cut that out. Y'all can laugh all you want, but that was my mistake. I got burned. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take out my imitation crab meat. Oh, it's scorching. I didn't mean for it to scorch, but it did, so I'm not going to worry about it. All that good going in that rice. Okay, I forgot to mention my butter. I'm going to put my butter in here and let it sear. I don't like the way somebody's going to drop that butter up. Y'all know how we do it. So it can melt down. To that butter, I'm going to add some Italian seasonings. Yes. Some onion powder. Some seasoning salt. Some accents. Some addaboo. And some red pepper. I'm going to take my snow crabs that I've washed and I'm going to add them in there. Also my mussels. Mussels took over. I'll put the top on those and let those sear. Okay, so now my rice is done. Can't see it because it's smoking. So I'm going to take my rice, come over here and I'm going to put it in the pan. So I took and I transferred my rice to another pan. I'm going to take my fish, I'm just going to break it up into little pieces. Just break it up, break it up, break it up. No picking off my fish. Pregnant or not. That's my daughter, y'all. She pregnant and she greedy as hell. I'm gonna drop my shrimp in there. Take my scallops and drop them in there. I'll put my crab meat in there. My scallops are done. So I'm going to place them around in there. And also my snow crab. I'm going to take some butter from my scallops and crabs and I'm going to pour over in there that butter with that garlic and onion powder and everything in it. I'm going to pour it over the rice so it can have that buttery garlic seasoned flavor. After I've gotten all that in there, I'm going to take my blue crabs. And put them in there. And I'm going to take and I'm going to stir all of that up. Now you guys, I should have had a little more rice than this, but I actually used the rice that I had. It doesn't have to be, it doesn't have to be yellow rice. It can be any kind of rice. So I'm just gonna garnish it off with some chives. Some more red pepper. And some black pepper. Let me do a thumbnail.
God bless you.
Just the rice. Now let's do a taste test. Try to get shrimp and hold on. I ain't finna be proper. Ain't not time for that. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, to die for. Oh my God. Mmm. When I tell you them fried fish and oh my gosh, them shrimp. Oh. Mmm. Why is everybody looking at me? Oh, y'all ready?